Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 11. We are almost to Christmas. Let's go get some coffee first. Today's mug, I guess you could consider it a mug. Today's mug is the butterbeer from Harry Potter. Of course, a straw. Today's agenda is to edit Vlogmas day 10 from yesterday. And I need to get out of the house. I need to run errands. Errands today are super important because we have to go to the bank. Let's drink up our beer. Drink up our coffee. I hope you guys are having a great start to your day. We are finally leaving the house. It is about like 3:30. Had to force myself to leave. We're leaving. We're gonna run some errands. My brows are looking so weird today. They really look the strangest. But I decided just to throw on some brows so I'm not browless. We're now back at the Thousand Oaks Mall and I had 2 dum-dums because I stopped by the bank earlier. That was like one of the things I needed to do and I've been meaning to actually stop by there the past couple days, but it just never happened. But thankfully, you know, we got it done today. Very casual outfit. Fabletics leggings, Adidas shoes, Fabletics top, and also the airborne sweater that Darren gave us. We are in the drive-through line for In-N-Out. I got my husband a cheeseburger and I got a double protein style. We already have fries and onion rings at home, so we are finally at Pavilions. I'm gonna go get my jasmine green tea that I've been talking about getting the past week. All right, let's go get it. Where are you? Right there. All right, organic premium, no, that's Japanese tea. Wait, hold on, no. Where's green tea? You have got to be kidding me. Please do not tell me they do not have jasmine green tea. Oh, I found it. It's all the way in the back. Oh, no, there's one here. Whew. I was about to freak out. Am I buying the last one? I think so. These are the last 2 boxes. I guess this is a very popular brand for jasmine green tea. It is time for us to open another one of the 24 days of tea from David's Tea, and we are on day 11. Day number 11's box. Day number 11's tea is Snow Day, which I also remember from last year. So it's low caffeine, steep for 5 minutes. Smells like an Andes chocolate. Now I remember, I think that's exactly how I described it last year and the year before that. Here is our perfect spoonful. Snow Day Wintry Mint Chocolate. Ingredients: peppermint leaves, cocoa beans, cocoa husk, chocolate chips, white chocolate, whole milk powder, sunflower lecithin, sugar sprinkles. Contains 5 calories. Now let's open our Trader Joe's 24 chocolate days until Christmas. Number 11 is right here with Venezuela. So what's in there? It is a reindeer. Go ahead and take this out. Thank you guys so much for commenting your topics and questions. It's very pepperminty, like extremely pepperminty. Let's try Snow Day. Wow. That's very pepperminty. Tastes exactly like an Andes chocolate, so it has that chocolate kick to it with a ton of peppermint. It's time for our daily tea talk, and today's topic, I'm gonna go with KD. How do you get started to YouTube? Thanks, with a smiley face. Hi Kay, thank you so much for leaving your topic. The best way really is to put it into action. Everyone starts off somewhere, right? Just film your video, regardless if it's a vlog or if it's gonna be a sit-down video or an unboxing. I really think it's just getting into the habit and getting used to being in front of a camera definitely takes some getting used to. I think it's best if you just start simple, right? So you have your point and shoot camera, for instance, or if you just use your phone, good lighting. You want to make sure that you're well lit, so even just natural sunlight that's not too harsh. In regards to topics, really just depends on what interests you, what do you like to watch on YouTube. Using whatever you have, a video camera, your smartphone, point and shoot camera. Then from there you can always build on your equipment. You can upgrade to say like a better point and shoot or a DSLR, or you know, get a different lens. You can always build on your equipment. I actually still have my very first video up, and so just like so cringy watching it, but I think it's good to look back on those things because you're able to see your growth, your progression. I'm just picking up tea leaves from the placemat or what, but I feel like I had tea leaves all over my face. Let's go ahead and eat our chocolate. I hope I answered your question, Kay. If there's anything I missed, or if there's like something particular, like a little bit more specific, comment down below and I will definitely elaborate more in tomorrow's daily tea talk. I'm gonna finish this up and then we're gonna hang up our day number 11 ornament. Hang up day number 11 on our Christmas tree. Day number 11. All right. A little update from earlier. You know how we went to the mall and then we ran some errands, found something but they didn't have my size, or I didn't like the way how it looks. It was fun just going out running errands, and at least I got my jasmine green tea. Thank you guys so much for watching, commenting, and leaving your topics. I really appreciate it, you guys. Have an amazing Wednesday, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 12.